Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into the world of rooted and roid and exploring a handy tool called the FakeGApps LSPosed module. This module can be a game changer if you're looking for a Google free experience or want to use Microg more effectively. So, what exactly is the FakeGApps module? In short, it's an LSPosed module that helps trick apps into thinking Google Play services is present even when it isn't. This is particularly useful when combined with Microg, an open-source replacement for Google Play services. By using these two together, you can enable features like Google Cloud Messaging or GCM, allowing you to receive push notifications and use other Google services without the full, proprietary Google Play services package. This can improve performance and privacy, especially on older devices. Now, let's get into how to install it. The download link for this module is available in the video description below. Just click on that link to download the APK file. Once downloaded, simply install the APK like any other app. After installation, you'll need to activate the module within LSPosed. Open the LSPosed app and navigate to the Modules section. You should see the FakeGApps module listed there. Tap on it and enable the module by checking the box or toggling the switch. After activating the module, it's crucial to restart your device for the changes to take effect. This module is a great way to use apps that rely on Google services without fully installing Google Play services. It's especially useful for improving battery life and privacy. It's also worth noting that this module supports a wide range of Android versions, from Android 4.0 all the way up to Android 14. So, that's it for today's video on the FakeGApps LSPosed module. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.